Hi guys, I know it's been over 2 months since I posted my last video. Well, I've got probably like 1,000 videos on this channel, so I doubt that you've ever watched all the videos that I have on this channel. So therefore, if you always feel like watching something new, just come to my channel. There is something that you can actually watch and learn from. But otherwise, I'm all good and it's good to be back. So this video, I want to check out something new. So Deriv has done something. Okay, Deriv has actually added new indices, and these are boom 50 and crash 50. So what you're currently seeing on this chart is actually boom 1000, and we all know the price structure of boom 1000, how it moves. So we're going to check out the price structure for boom 50 and crash 50, and I want to see if it's a good index or not. So to do that, all you have to do is simply click on add, then simply search for boom. So here's boom 50. I'll click enter. Let us also add crash 50. There it is, enter. Okay, so now let us try to add one to the chart. So let us try to add boom 50. Okay, so this is boom 50. Okay, so we're used of seeing the boom indices and the crash indices having uh those long, either the green candles or the red ones, but this boom 50 looks like any other index apart from boom and crash. Yeah, like it does really look different. Okay, so what this means is that every 50 ticks there's a spike or a drop. This what it means. That's why I've got a 50. Let us see the crash 50. Okay, even the crash 50 looks as if it's a volatility index, but this is how, and this is actually the 1 minute time frame. So the people who don't like those um long, either the red candles or the long green candles, and we prefer frequent spikes or drops. If that's you, then this is for you. So this is the 1 minute time frame, and this is how it looks like. If I go on the 15 minute time frame, this is how it looks like. Yeah, I think this will be good. Okay, because you'll be having uh, frequent spikes or drops. When it comes to crash 1000, like price may go up and up and up and up and up, and then from there starts having drops or spikes. But with 50, with boom 50 and crash 50, at least the drops and the spikes are frequent. So therefore, may be good for some and may be bad for some. Yeah. So remember to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. My WhatsApp channel also, the link is in the description. But for now, this is Keith.